Anybody, do you know what is silence? Yes, we know. Silence means I stand quiet, but it's wrong. Silence is not I stand quiet. It's a sign of control, wisdom, and pace. When we are silenced, this time we listen better. We feel deeply and we understand more clearly. Now I am trying to a real example. Do you know about Mahatma Gandhi? Yes, we already know who is Mahatma Gandhi. He is a father of nation from India. Besides, he is a respectable person in our world. Mahatma Gandhi was used to keeping silence one day a week because he believed silence gives us inner power as well as self-control. Even today's world, their most confident people are not the loudest. They are the calmest. As I told you before, the power of silence. Can you imagine why silence is powerful? Don't worry, I will try and clear it. Silence is powerful because it gives strength when we are angry. Besides, silence saves us from say something we'll regret. Accompanied with it shows our maturity. Everyone can shout, but staying calm takes power. It creates some effects. Like sometimes 1 minute silence says more than of 100 of words. In addition to, it helps our real life in exams, in fights, in relationships. Besides, silence often solves more than noise. So, what we learned today from this topic? We learned silence is more important for our human being. So friends, next time you feel like shouting, try to silence. Next time you want to react, try listen. Because silence is not empty. It's full of answer. Thank you sir and ma'am for listening peacefully.